Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit different of a video, and we're gonna do a cars and coffee vlog. So, hopefully you guys enjoy this style a bit more. We're gonna try switching up the content to be a little more casual, mostly because I'm slowly running out of things to do to the Accord, and well, it's good to branch out. So, let's head on over and check out what Cars and Coffee has to offer. Starting off with a cold start as usual and waking up our neighbors. Alright, let's go. We're gonna fill up on some gas. 409. Gotta make sure we're all filled up. Head inside and grab some Wawa. Can't go wrong with Wawa or Sheets. Leave a comment down below, which one do you like?
Welcome to Wawa. Please scan your...
Alright, got our wake up juice. Good old Monster iced tea lemonade. My go-to, can't go wrong with it. Made it out here to Cars and Coffee. Let's go get some breakfast and go check out what cars there are. This thing's packing. Look at those tires. Yeah, it's packing something in there. Got a turbo. It's a stock C engine turbo. Let's go ask.
Yeah, he would have gone.
Is this still the C engine in the C30?
Well, yeah, it's a C30, but it's way overboard now.
Right.
Like 3.5 liter.
Oh, okay. But turbo fits in all snug and everything?
Yeah, it's the kit. It's foreign. It's HP. It's like it's more about the performance than anything.
How much are you making to the wheels?
What do you think? And it's not stock. Right?
I'm gonna go with 900.
1050.
1050.
About 58.
Because you don't see many of these C engines built out. Like you said, it's mostly the case swaps.
It's too much.
Right.
It's stupid to do it.
Well, because that's the excuse with the F engines and the S2000. That's why you don't case swap them.
Yeah.
That's the only chassis you gave it.
So like each rod costs me $1,700. Yeah.
1,700 a rod.
Hello. Titanium rods and they're beefy as hell.
It's really windy, but so far it's been a good turnout. That NSX that I just showed you, 80,000 in just a block alone apparently. That's amazing. That's a sick car. 1050 horsepower. Yeah, let's keep looking around. Bananas. $20 or $24?
20.
Nice.
My previous block crashed,
Mm.
and I swapped it in like one day, like morning after.
That's awesome. How much did it cost to swap?
It really depends how much you do, but
Mhm.
for like a base swap, it's around $5,000.
Okay.
And
Not
you have
awful.
everything that you need.
Good cars and coffee so far. We're gonna head over to Summit and watch our friend race on track on his bike. So let's go take a cruise over. KA band going off. Got the cop sitting back there. Can't be too crazy. He's spectating.
$15 today.
Okay. Do you guys take credit?
Yeah, we only take credit.
Okay. Thank you so much. All set?
Yep, you're all set.
Have a good day.
You too.
Alrighty, let's head over to Shenandoah and check it out. And check out how it's going. Alright, we made it. Don't know where our friend is, but here's his bike. The CBR 900, I think. Nice yellow. Love the yellow. Always represent. Alright, let's go find him, and then we'll head out there and grab some pictures for him. Alright, getting ready to take some pictures. We've got the 70-200 on. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. I think we're gonna move around a bit. Not the greatest photos, if I'm honest, but I think we're gonna move down just a little bit. Alright, let's move again. About lunchtime, or after lunch actually, and I should have put some photos in the video already, but let me know what you guys think of these more casual weekend vlogs. Kind of try out some new content, so let me know how that is for you guys. Alright, we're all wrapped up with our friend's track day. We got some photos for him. I'm gonna toss them up on the screen now so you can see what I took. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that bit of a adventure vlog. Leave a comment down below if that's something you'd like to see more often. Whenever I go out and just do random things on the weekend. I'm trying to expand from just doing a core content since I'm slowly running out of things to do to the car, and yeah, really that's about it. So if you guys enjoyed that random little video, hit that like and subscribe button, and